In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to allow Telegram to access your location on Windows in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want Telegram to share your current location, improve nearby features, or make sure the app can use location services properly on your device. If this helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, on your Windows PC, press the Windows key and the I key together to open settings. This is the fastest way to get to your system options. Once settings opens, look at the left side or main menu and click on Privacy and Security. On some versions of Windows, it may just say Privacy, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. From there, scroll through the options until you find the location and click it. This is where Windows controls which apps are allowed to use your location. Now, the very first thing you need to do is turn on Location Service. If this is switched off, Telegram and other apps won't be able to detect your location at all, so make sure that location services are enabled before moving on. After that, scroll down until you see the option that says, Let apps access your location. Turn this on as well. This setting is important because even if location services are enabled, apps still need permission to actually use that data. Once that is turned on, Windows will allow compatible apps, including Telegram, to request location access when needed. If Telegram still does not work right away, you may also want to check whether the app itself has permission inside Windows app settings, and make sure any privacy restrictions are not blocking it. Sometimes a quick restart of Telegram can also help it recognize the updated permission, and that's it. You've now allowed Telegram to access your location on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.